Hello everybody, once again this is John, Vice President for Deckmasters of South Florida. Today we are at a residence down in Miami Shores. We are going to be installing a tongue and groove ceiling over top of this existing drywall. Now you can see the electricians have already mapped out where they are going to put the electricity and a ceiling fan, and it's going to be up to us to make this look great with some Ipe tongue and groove. Stay tuned. The next portion of this is we are going to go ahead and tack up our nailer strips, which we have already done. They're on 16-inch centers, and we put them up there with some stainless steel screws. That's what's going to hold the tongue and groove Ipe on. We move to the next part where we are actually going to tap in the tongue and groove Ipe, and once we do that, we're going to go ahead and shoot it in with 16 gauge 2-inch stainless steel nails, and we're just going to repeat this process. Alright, I just want to give you a little update. We are about 50% of the way through on this tongue and groove project. So just wanted to give you a little update so you can see how things are going. Got the cutouts here for the lights, cutouts for the fan. And one thing I didn't mention is that we didn't pre-oil this. The reason for doing that is it's hard to get in those little cracks and crevices once the Ipe tongue and groove's installed. So we pre-oiled it, and when we're done, we'll give it another coat, and this thing is going to look amazing. Alright everybody, just want to give you a quick update. We have all the tongue and groove Ipe installed. Now we're going to do a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of oiling, and we're going to put up some trim panels, and that'll just about complete this project. Hi everybody, John with Deckmasters. Just wanted to show you the finished product of our Ipe tongue and groove ceiling. As you can see, we have some small little trim pieces up there that tuck nicely into the wall and the Ipe. We put our second and final coat of Ipe oil on here. It's now shining, it's now protected, and our finished product looks amazing. I hope you like viewing our project. If you want to see more projects like this, don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe button, and find us at www.deckmastersofsouthflorida.com.